you know Hindi is the third most spoken language in the world? So this makes Hindi learning too important. Namaste. I am Reenu from India. I welcome you all to my nation. I am a professional and certified Hindi language tutor. I, with due respect, welcome you all to my nation. I want to make your Indian journey very interesting and easy by providing you free Hindi learning video lessons on YouTube. I am providing Hindi language classes throughout the world. Now I started to provide Hindi learning videos on YouTube also. Here you can learn conversational Hindi through English, basic Hindi in Devnagari script and professional Hindi too. And if you already know Hindi, you can practice it here. With me, you will learn not only Hindi speaking but also about Indian people, Indian culture, meditation and yoga too. My classes are so interactive and easy to understand that you can start speaking Hindi sentences from day one. So do you want to start? Just subscribe and follow my channel. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Alvida. See you later. फिर मिलेंगे. Hasta luego. धन्यवाद.